a monster. Yeah, I'm gonna go like this. You ready for this? You're not ready. The intro to this is way too long. I enjoy doing with my hair like this. You'll never guess. No, I don't want an advertisement. There. I muted it so you can't hear it. Because I don't do advertisements. Oh, wow. Oh, it's a messed up commercial. I'm sorry. It's funny. Okay. Commercial's over. You ready for this? Ready for this. Okay, that's enough. It was fun. Alright. Go away. Alright, that was fun. Door's open again. Alright. If it didn't close all the way. No. Purple. You can't see it. No, you're gonna have to see it. It's purple. It's purple. Alright. Yeah. So, let's see what else can I do. No. No. It's just not. So weird. Nah. There's nothing to do. 1 second. It's pink. It's going to poo on you. It's going to poo on you. Look at that. He's going to poo on you even though he's empty. There, he pooed on you. Look, I'm gonna kill him. I'm gonna pop his head off. Okay, I'm good. Yeah. I'm bored. I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos recently. I don't know why. A lot of it was, you know, Charlie is so cool like that British guy. Yeah. Honestly. Yeah. It's awesome though. It's a yellow flower. It's flowers. Flower. If you're wondering why I have a flower in this thing, it's because there's Hawaiian dance at school today. But yeah, I'm just gonna do. No, there's more. Let's try. No, I'm just ahead. I am just ahead. Oh, no. I'm bringing the chair back. Over. No, I'm slightly more than ahead. Not much. Anyway, do you like turtles? Don't know what that was. Just stuck my tongue out at all of you. Here we go. It's here. You know it is. Go to the chair once more. Get out of the way, you stupid calendar. Going to you. I'm like failing with this right now. Come back. Can't get it. Got it. Okay, that's enough of that. And the chair is back. Okay, so, yes, I'm very bored, and it's early in the morning. Well, to some people. I wake up at 6:30. Little hairs are sticking up. It's really bothering. See that? You see that? Damn. Good enough, I guess. Wonder if this will work. No, that did not work. Maybe. It's not working. Shit. I don't want it caught on my keyboard. No, I'm just gonna throw it. You didn't even see it, did you? Where'd it go? Oh! Landed on my chair. I'm starting to follow you from out here, just in case you were wondering. Who can guess what these are? Not plastic green rings. Yeah. Okay. Enough of me blowing my hair out on my face. Yeah, it's braided. I don't know how I did the back, but I did. That's my answer to that question, because a lot of people ask that. Yeah, I enjoy braiding my hair. I think that's enough, because it's over 6 minutes and almost 7 minutes. So, yeah. Wait, I'm gonna reach the 7-minute mark. You ready? 10, 9. Wait, no.